Hey guys, welcome today to Like My Pedals. I'm going to be going over dual overdrive. This is the 3-knob mid-gain drive and the Hyperbolt. It's got an effect order switch to stack one before the other and vice versa. Each is independently controlled, and then there's also a gain cut switch on the hyper side to kind of reel it in a little bit because it can kind of get out there. So here's my clean signal playing through a Fender Supersonic 22 and a Reverend Flat Rock. That's the neck pick. Let me switch on to the bridge pickup. Go to the mid gain side, which has a volume gain and tone knob. Not a ton of gain there, but you can crank it up a little bit more. And as you dial the tone back some, it gets darker and then also gets a little more gainier. Nice little sweet spots right around here. Now over to the hyper side, you have a volume, a gain, and a tone knob. Right now it's in full gain mode. I can cut some of that out in a second here, but I'll show you the difference. In the full mode, it's a little fuller, a little more punchy. Right up the tone a little bit. Gain it back some. Now it's with both sides on. It's nice and meaty. This round should actually brighten it and make it even louder here. More gain. Just overall, a good sounding dual overdrive, gives you a little bit of range there. You can kind of go from your clean setting to a slightly gained setting, and your playing dynamic is picked up by the pedal, and it gives you a real sense of feel to it. So if you play harder and strum down, it's going to go a little harder, and if you kind of back off, it's going to kind of back off with you. I appreciate you joining me today for another pedal, and like always, like, my pedals are fully customizable. Just message me and I'll get back with you as soon as I can, and we can talk over her build. Have a good one.